Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome to Voltage. AMD stock is soaring with that game-changing AI deal, and X is buzzing with excitement. We're diving deep into why AMD might rule the chip market by 2030. Think MI300 success, a massive partnership, and a challenge to Nvidia. Hit that subscribe button, drop your boldest prediction in the comments, and join us for this 30-minute journey into the future of semiconductors. Let's kick things off with the numbers driving the AMD frenzy. The company's stock has seen a dramatic surge following a landmark deal with a major AI player, rumored to be worth upwards of $10 billion, as reported by leading financial outlets like Economic Times, Web 12. This partnership focuses on leveraging AMD's MI300 series chips for AI inference. And X is ablaze with over 1.2 million posts under hashtag AMD stock, reflecting the hype. At Money Control.com's tweet comparing Nvidia's towering $3.6 market cap to AMD's rapid ascent has garnered 2.7K views and 150 likes post. 20. While at AMD Insider's video of CEO Lisa Su unveiling the MI300's 141 billion transistors, triple the count of Nvidia's H100, has exploded to 1.5 million views and 45K likes. The tech specs are staggering. The MI300 boasts a 1.5x performance boost over competitors at a lower cost, per Tom's Hardware, Web 15. Analysts are throwing out bold forecasts. CoinCodex predicts a $300 to $400 share price by 2030 if AMD secures 10% of the AI chip market, while Benzinga sees a potential $500 peak with strategic growth, Web 2, Web 3. Financially, AMD's data center revenue has skyrocketed to $22.7 billion in the latest reported year, up 131% from $9.8 billion just a few years prior, according to SEC filings. Web 2, outpacing Intel's flat $54 billion total revenue. On X, at Tech Trends, 900 views, 30 likes. Highlights a recent earnings beat of $1.72 EPS against an expected $1.62 post 22, sparking talks of a $1 valuation by the end of the decade. Yet, Nvidia still commands 80% of the GPU market, raising the question, can AMD maintain this momentum amid fierce competition? We'll explore their tech edge, market shifts, and more over the next half hour. Do you see AMD as the next tech giant? Share your thoughts below. Now, let's dig into the heart of AMD's potential dominance. The MI300 series is the star here, engineered for AI workloads with a reported 1.5x performance edge over Nvidia's H100 and a 20% cost advantage, as detailed by Tom's Hardware, Web 15. This positions AMD to tap into the projected $500 billion AI chip market by the late 2020s, according to McKinsey, Web 11. CEO Lisa Su has committed $5 billion in R&D from 2023 to 2027 to boost AMD's data center share from 15% to a targeted 30% by 2030, a strategy outlined in Reuters Web 14. On X, at AI Revolution, 1.2K views, 50 likes, praises the MI300's energy efficiency, claiming a 30% reduction in power consumption compared to rivals post 23, a critical factor as data centers go green. AMD's manufacturing advantage comes from its deep ties with TSMC, which supplies 90% of advanced chips for AMD, Nvidia, and Apple post 21. With 3 nanometers process nodes slated for 2026 that could widen this gap. Speculation on r/and_stock, 112 comments, points to a $1 market cap if AMD sustains a 25% CAGR, outpacing Intel's projected 5% decline, Web 9. Some experts, like those at Barron's, suggest AMD could overtake Intel and server chips by the late 2020s if they lock in more cloud giants like Microsoft and Amazon, Web 13. The flip side? Nvidia's CUDA software ecosystem remains a formidable moat, locking in developers. Could AMD's open-source ROCm platform turn the tide? We'll hear from fans and dive into long-term strategies next. Is the MI300 the key to Nvidia's downfall? Share your bold prediction below. The X community is a hotbed of opinions, and it's a goldmine for understanding this shift. At Mercurius Filius, 72 views, 5 likes, hails AMD's AI push as the future of computing, post, 21, while at Garcia Garcia, 58 views for likes, credits TSMC's manufacturing prowess for AMD's rise, post, 25. At LiveMint's post, 51 views, 3 likes, drops a bombshell stat. Intel's revenue has shrunk 30% over recent years while AMD's has doubled, fueling debates on industry leadership. Post 23. Over on Reddit, r/m_stock threads with 112 comments explore $8 TCAP, with users like u/TechRu2025 citing AMD's 40% data center growth in the latest quarter. Web 9. Memes are rampant. At TechMemes Sailor Moon style post, 300k shares, 12k likes, dubs AMD, the chip warrior, while at Nvidia fans, 200k views, 8k likes. Argue CUDA's developer loyalty is unshakable. Experts chime in too. Forbes predicts AMD's Ryzen expansion into smartphones by 2027 could tap the $100 billion mobile AI market. Web 16. And Wall Street Journal confirms a $2 billion Azure deal with Microsoft. Web 17. On TikTok, fans 150k views, 6k likes. Remix Lisa Su's speeches, envisioning a 2030 monopoly, though skeptics like a chip skeptic. 100k views, 4k likes. Warn of supply chain vulnerabilities with TSMC post, 24. The consensus? AMD's on a rocket, but Nvidia's not down yet. Are you rooting for AMD's rise or Nvidia's reign? Drop your stance below. Let's project into the future. What could 2030 look like for AMD? The company's roadmap includes Ryzen chips tailored for AI-powered smartphones by 2028, eyeing the $150 billion gaming and mobile market, as forecasted by TechRadar. Web 18. Partnerships are a powerhouse. Microsoft's $2 billion Azure expansion with AMD post 22 and Cohere's AI model training on MI300. Web 19 signal a data center explosion. Analysts at Morgan Stanley project a $249 to $427 share price by 2030 if AMD captures 20% of the AI market. Web 3. While seeking alpha envisions a $1.2 TCAP with a 30% CAGR. Web 8. Speculation runs deep. Could AMD acquire Intel's server division by the late 2020s to consolidate power, leveraging Intel's 15% market share dip? Ex-users like it Future Tech, 250k views, 10k likes, float the idea of Elon Musk partnering with AMD for Tesla's AI-driven cars. Post 26. Risks are real. Nvidia's $50 billion R&D budget. Web 20 and global chip wars could slow AMD's ascent. Regulatory hurdles might kick in if AMD's share nears 40% per Bloomberg. Web 7, especially with US-China tensions. The wild card? Quantum computing chips by the mid-2030s, where AMD's early patents could give a first-mover advantage. Long-term, AMD's focus on energy-efficient designs and cloud integration might redefine the industry. Will AMD soar to $1 or stumble? Share your 2030 vision below. VoltEdge brings you the cutting edge of tech. Subscribe now for the latest AMD breakthroughs. Our next deep dive is coming soon. Like, share, and keep the VoltEdge community charged. Your comments power our journey.